Okay friends, just open your settings application, then select accessibility from the left side. Okay, then select display and text size. Then you can see here the option of smart invert. That means it is not like classic invert. Classic invert is always convert every screen into invert color mode, but smart inverts only convert non-black images. Okay, you can see here the menu is showing perfectly, there is no color changing, but whenever you leave the black screen you can change it, see the difference. You can see here all other colors has been changed. So this is a smart invert, and it's very useful in some case if you have some problem with your eyes or vision. It will be help you, like if you are colorblind student or something else. So that's guys very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replays as videos so you can easily watch, understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.